Now take for example this page. The most liked picture is 700 plus likes, and that's what I call Insta fame. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So if you are come for tutorial, this video is not a tutorial, so come back day after tomorrow. Or if you're watching this video from 1 week later, then watch any of my videos. This is a story type video. In other words, it is kind of like a podcast, you can say, but with a bad quality. Yes. Okay, so if you are still watching this, then this is a story on how I got famous for 24 hours, my wanted story.
24 carats on my necklace.
So in December, I don't really know the particular date I dropped in, but I made this Cyberpunk 2077 inspired artwork and I wanted to post it on my Instagram. I was just testing, I was not sure, like I didn't want it to put this picture, but my other angel said, "Halabai kei hundena." That is drop brother, nothing will happen. I don't know, it's kind of funny translating this anyways. That was in Nepali, and obviously if you don't know by now, I'm a Nepali guy from Gangtok, Sikkim. Yes. Obviously my first language is Nepali, then English. You can also count Hindi, but I really can't speak Hindi much. I mean, it is not that I'm a foreigner type, like I can obviously speak Hindi, but my pronunciation and like reading skill is bad. Long story short, I cannot speak Hindi, so that is why I'm making English video. My inner soul, that is Angel, was not speaking English that time. Wanna know why? Because the white angel didn't know I was making videos in English at that time, so I'm sure he knows by now. Then I uploaded this. I didn't expect it much, to be honest. After publishing, I waited. Since I was getting dry response, lost all my hope, started playing COD, and after 15 minutes I was getting some notification, but I didn't really care that much. But after 30 minutes something went bad. So after 30 minutes I was getting mentioned everywhere, like in Insta stories, comments. You can also comment, like I don't know. So my pictures were popping everywhere, like everywhere. Strangers were following me, getting DMs, some strangers stalking my Insta story. I was happy. I got like 20 to 30 followers in just 12 hours. I think I got more than that. So which I know it is not a lot, so, but at that time I was very happy. I was getting like 20 to 30 followers. I was getting likes. I was getting mentions everywhere. I felt like a king of the world. I was genuinely happy. People were reposting my pictures. Now I was very grateful at that time. People were sharing my pictures. I was getting followers. So thank you, I guess, by using my picture and I was getting followers. Yeah. Now take for example this page. The most liked picture is 700 plus likes, and that's what I call Insta famous. And surprisingly, my Facebook account also got 224 shares. That's right, 224 shares. That's that's bigger than my class students. By now I was expecting to get verified. No, I was not expecting that much, but still I was I was popping everywhere. I was Insta famous. I thought I would get the same from now on. So Insta famous, social media famous. I thought I was the king of the world. I dropped this picture. After that, now there is a theory that once you start to get a lot of attraction, you have to post, like you have to use that new platform. I was getting followers, so I wanted to make sure that I was like a Photoshop artist. See, now listen, long story short, once you start to get viral, you don't have to be like totally like a ghost. You have to start posting a lot of pictures. You have to utilize, you have to capitalize all those like new followers. They will engage, algorithm will promote you, you'll be Insta famous. So long story short, don't miss the opportunity once you are getting viral. So the following, I posted this picture. I was planning on doing daily post from 2021, so but I wanted to capitalize the market. So what did I do is I dropped this picture. It got like 328 likes, but now you can see my ratio is totally going down, so the heat is obviously going down. Now I regret that. I should be posting consistently, but that was in 2020 and we are in 2021, so I started to post daily. I got 224 likes, then it is going down. Then I got 140 likes, which is kind of the lowest. And I got a lot of followers. I'm not saying that I didn't get a lot of followers. I got a lot of followers, and after that hashtags were not working. Then it was time that I should give up. But I remember something famous man once said, don't give up, because if you give up you will obviously fail. And I listened to that guy. And wanna know who's that guy? And you have to subscribe, because that guy is our ex. I'm very bad at jokes, so please bear with me. But I believe 2021 is a good year, so that's why I'm not getting demotivated at all. In fact I'm making YouTube videos, as you can see. Hi, what's up? Subscribe. Yeah. I like what I do, so I'm enjoying, and you are watching this. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you made it till here, I don't know, if you're still watching this video, then let me know in the comments down below, because YouTube is broken. Sometimes they don't let people comment. So if you wanna be like on top of the world in my comment section, feel free to comment. And this is it. This is my story, how I once climbed the Mount Everest, then fell down badly. In case you are wondering, I'm not famous. That's why you are seeing this video. Otherwise, I wouldn't be making this video if it powers the social media famous. So this is it, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful time watching this video. So drop a like and subscribe to see more of my content. It's me, Aavash, signing off, and I'll see you on my next video.